that looks like fun. What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. What are we talking about today? We're talking about the Mavic Mini. We're unboxing it. Let's go. All right, guys. So welcome to the unboxing of the Mavic Mini. I'm sure, like a lot of you, the Mavic Mini could be a starter drone for you, and it's a fantastic starter drone. The remote is easy to use. Just everything to get from the time of purchase to getting your drone off the ground and into the air. Everything is super easy. Okay, so opening the box first pull out the actual case, which houses the Mavic Mini and controller. There's a couple of other boxes here. I'm just pulling out. First big box here is, I believe, yeah, it's the propeller guards. So you get a set of those for each side of the drone. The next box here, paperwork, just throw that away. Just kidding, keep it. The next box, and probably the heaviest box, is of course the batteries. You get 3 batteries with the Fly More combo, and that's what I bought, is the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo. The next box is the charger. So I'm just going to speed ramp this up, get everything out of its plastic housing or plastic bagging here. Just make it look all pretty. 1, 2, and 3. All right, now we get to the good stuff. So upon opening your Mavic Mini case, you're going to find the drone itself. And what I just picked up was the battery charger. So all 3 batteries can be charged. It charges one battery and then moves on to the next one, then moves on to the next one. And there you can see the controller. Super easy to use. It's kind of like a PlayStation controller. Let's see here. Next box is... yes, all the miscellaneous stuff, like the extra cords, the extra joysticks, the USB cables, and sorry, the box previous to that, I know I just kind of jumped in there, was extra propellers. And yes, the Fly More combo does come with extra propellers, so that is awesome. And what we all came here to see was finally the drone. So that was just a quick little unboxing here of the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo. I've been using it for quite some time now, and I've been I just fell in love with it. Super easy to use, super compact casing. You can take one case and you're good to go. So yeah, that was pretty much it for the unboxing of the Mavic Mini Fly More combo. I'm absolutely in love with it. You guys will probably be too if you picked one up. I'm able to capture amazing cinematic video and amazing aerial photos. So big up to DJI, well done. And yeah, so guys, if you like this video, the unboxing video, please consider subscribing. It's just that little red button. We have tons of fun. I teach you guys everything about landscape photography, and apparently now aerial photography, or drone photography. Comment down below. What are your thoughts? Mavic Mini, Mavic Mini 2. What drone are you guys flying? Let me know. I'm really interested. And also follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.